Hello, welcome to YCM. I'm Alex. The COVID-19 outbreak has been made a major health crisis to over the whole world and a major disruption of the global economy. Expected a major reshuffling of the global production network. As a result, the pandemic is accelerating the adoption, automation, and localization of production. Are you facing the unexpected challenges resulting from the pandemic? Are you still figuring out how to respond to those challenges? By understanding customers' needs today, I will show you the whole new UV650 high-performance 5-axis vertical machine center. The UV650 provides excellent cutting performance and high accuracy of complex parts requiring simultaneous 5-axis machining. Designed to reduce parts handling, setup, and overall lead time, while improving cut quality, precision, and service finish of complex shapes and contours require multi-tool for the multi-industry such as job shop, medical, aerospace, and LMO. The UV650 features a 650mm down BC axis rotating table that can support from medium to large workpiece with a maximum weight 300 kg. The high precision rotating encoders on the BC axis as a standard features, allowing all the most demanding machining accuracy. Durable 2-axis rotating table allows fast accuracy machining of complex 5-axis components. So it's equipped with YCM made spindles up to 24,000 RPM with maximum power 22 kilowatts, so which allow machining the hard material, also providing the fine surface finishes. The UV650 provides extra wide the base and the column design, enable to solid support and excellent cutting performance when machining complex parts at a high speed and high fit. The YCM design properly mounts the table directly to the base. The design puts the table parts weight and the cutting force directly into the base structure for the cutting performance, surface finish, and overall parts accuracy. The YCM center design incorporates 6 totally guided blocks for the rigidity, greatly reducing Y-axis in the axis direction. It is common for the RAM type design. The X-Y axis are fit with high precision roller type guide weight and the fixed pretension double nut direct drive bolt screws, allow for the fast and accurate machining. The axis travel is 620, Y travel is 520, and the X travel is 480. So the 3-axis feeder rate is 36 meter per minute. So the 40 ATC tool is standard, and if you have more difficult parts, need more ATC, we have 48 and 60 tools are available. And the TTT change is 1.8 seconds. So the 4 adjustable securing coolant nozzle and 1 air in front of spindle can give the best coolant on the spindle tool and also remove the chips easily. As well, the shower coolant system and the chip flush system can remove the chips evacuation to the chip conveyor efficiently. There are 2 very user-friendly functions for UV650. The top front cover can automatically open by M-code to load and unload the large heavy workpiece. The controller allows 145 degrees from the left side to the right side in front of the machine. The YCM has very strict accuracy control that's including 5-axis calibration, 5-phase positioning accuracy test, and also ISO 10791-M3 accuracy test. So it's my pleasure to introduce YCM to you, and thank you for watching this video. The YCM has been recognized worldwide for the high precisioning, outstanding rigidity, and exceptional reliability to fulfill the different industry requirements for almost 70 years. So for more YCM products and solutions, please visit our website and also to explore our virtual showroom. Thank you very much for the day. Bye bye.